So when it comes to everyday carry, my opinion is nothing comes close to the utility provided by a pocket knife. But this pocket knife comes with a lot of caveats. You cannot take it everywhere. It's not legal in most of the places. You cannot travel in public transport using a pocket knife. You cannot go to malls. You cannot take it in schools. And altogether, I have been hearing a lot of complaints of people in everyday carry India community that they like the idea of the pocket knife, but it doesn't make sense for them to carry it based on their lifestyle. So that is exactly why I created this handy little tool which not only provides you almost all the functionality of a pocket knife, but even more. Coming up in this video, let's go. Hi, my name is Ayan, and on this channel I help you find the right tools for your daily life adventures. And talking about daily life adventures, that's exactly the point in the daily life adventures. You cannot foresee different situations that lives put you in, and that's why I have been recommending on this channel for a very long time that if you're not carrying a pocket knife, then start doing it, and you will see exactly why it makes a lot of sense. You can do a lot of things with it. You can combat a lot of situations on day-to-day basis. I'm not talking about self-defense here, but trust me, a pocket knife comes in really handy. But lately I have been observing in the Reddit community and also in my forums on YouTube channel, different people are commenting that it's not practical for them to carry a pocket knife because maybe they're in the school, maybe they travel by metro, by buses, public transport, or maybe just simply they are living in cities where carrying a blade is altogether illegal. And that is when I decided to create something of my own, an everyday carry tool which provides you all the functionality of a pocket knife and even more, but still keeps you in that legal framework that it's not a knife, it's not a blade. It will not put you in the dangerous situation, because at the end of the day it's still a box cutter, a similar cutter that you can find in any stationery store, but provides you even more functionality. That's what I wanted to showcase you today, presenting the APxTools RAAVA. This is something that I launched recently on my store, so if you're already part of my Instagram or Reddit community, you might have already seen it. I launched it last week and already a lot of people have ordered it. But today I wanted to make a very quick video showcasing you all the functionality that RAAVA provides, so you can make a better decision if you want to buy it or this is something that's not for you. So I'm also gonna leave a small discount code and links will be in the description below. But without further ado, let's move to the overhead camera. Let's do a quick unboxing and I'll show you all the features one by one. Alright, so here we are on the overhead camera, and this is exactly what you get once you order your RAAVA. There are just two things inside it, but of course you're gonna get a lot more once you order from APxTools, but I'm not gonna share that. For that you need to order it to get the surprise gift inside. So just two pieces over here. This is the RAAVA tool and this is the extra set of blades. So with every order you will be getting 4 extra blades, and 1 blade is on the tool itself. So it's also a standard blade. The SK5 is like an industrial standard utility knife blade, so you are well covered even if you use all of the blade, which is highly unlikely. But yeah, now that being said, let's take a look at the tool. So you can see very small minimal form factor. It looks really classy, really industrial. The logo is over here, which I really admire. And yeah, let's talk about the main functionality. So first and foremost, this is a utility knife. This one is a box cutter, so you just need to push this button. It's a lock mechanism, so the blade will not come out automatically, and that is really important for me because if you're carrying it in your pocket, you need to make sure the blade doesn't come out accidentally and make all sort of a mess. So to bring the blade out, you need to push the lock button down, and then the blade get deployed in 2 different positions. So this one is the first position, which I like to call the box cutter position. So for opening Amazon boxes, for opening courier packages later, this one is really good. But for even more tasks, for example cutting an apple, because why not, we can cut an apple with a utility knife, then you press it again and then you can deploy it on the second one, and there you get the full length of the blade. And even if that's not all, you can still push the lock button down and bring it as much as you want, and you can also get the blade out and replace it with the new blade when you want it. But this is a stainless steel good quality SK5 standard blade, as I mentioned, so it's gonna stay a very long time. You don't have to sharpen it or whatnot. And as I already mentioned, you also get 4 extra blades. So all the blades are here, which is very well lubricated and ready to go. So you can see you can always use the replacement one whenever you want, so that stays with you for a longer time. And also, as I mentioned, this is a standard SK5 blade, so you can still order it from anywhere. Now talking about different functionality that RAAVA provides, so first of all, it's like a box cutter, the utility knife. That is the main functionality that I've designed it for. And as I mentioned, it's still in the category of a stationary tool, so you get the cutter in a stationary store. Similar to that, this is a small cutter, so you are still very much in the legal limits if you are carrying it. I have seen a lot of people in the community, they're carrying some sort of utility knife, but there are a few famous one in the community. So yeah, I decided to make something similar. Now talking about other functionality, one of the favorite feature of RAAVA is it also has a bottle opener in the front, so you can also use it to open your beer bottles, your Pepsi, Coke bottles and whatnot. And if you look closely here, you get a small scale. So this one is a centimeter scale, and on the back you have the inches scale, so you're also well covered. It's good to have the scale handy. Other thing, you also have a small carabiner over here, so you can put it in your belt loop. You can also put it in your keychains and whatnot. On the back, you get the hex wrench drive over here, so you get four sort of a hex wrench, number 9, number 8, number 7, number 6. Number 9 is also used for FPV drone changing propellers, which is another of my hobby, so that becomes really important for me. And you get a really good leverage, because when you are putting your nut over here, you have a full length of the RAAVA, so you get a really good leverage. And on the back, this hole is really interesting, because you can use this to make it a key companion. You can pass it through your keychains. You can also put lanyard. And by the way, whenever you order a RAAVA, you will be getting 2 paracord options. Both of them will be shipped along with the order. So one, you will get the paracord, and other you will also get the leather lace. Let me show you both of them. So whenever you order the RAAVA, you will get 2 lanyard, as I mentioned. So one is the paracord lanyard. This is the green lanyard, but I will be sending the black lanyard, which basically matches with the color. So you will get 1 lanyard in paracord, and you will get 1 lanyard in leather. This is the leather lace, also in the black color. So you can decide which one you want, and you can just attach it over here. I will not be attaching it for you. I will just send it to you, so you can attach it yourself. And the other thing is, you can also use it in keychain. So for example, the hole over here, it can directly go in your keychain or key organizer, and it can make a good key companion. So over here, I'm using my Orbit key organizer, and you can see that you can use it to put it in your keychains like this, and that becomes a key companion tool. So you can keep it in your keychains and whatnot. And even with the lanyard, you can still use the keychain. So for example, over here I have the lanyard attached, but the hole is still very big, so I can still also put the keychain over here like this. So yeah, this becomes a really handy key companion tool. And what else to say about it? I think it's a very small minimal form factor tool. I think if you order it, you will really love it. Let's do a quick sharpness test. So I'm going to deploy it in the first position of the blade, and this is really good for opening boxes, as I mentioned before. So this you can use for box cutter. You can literally cut the boxes through it, right through it, and you can see it's really sharp. This is my knife box, and yeah, you can see the blade is really sharp. And for other purposes, you can fully deploy the blade, and I'm gonna use it to cut some paper. This is a good quality paper. Let's see if I can pass through it, and yeah, that's no problem at all. So you can see the blade is really sharp, and even though you are getting 4 extra blade, you're not gonna end up using it anytime soon. So I have tried to price it at a very fair point, so everyone in the community should be able to afford it. But for my YouTube viewers, I'm gonna create a separate code for you, so you can get 12% off for every order on RAAVA you made. So what you need to do, you need to check out using the link below and use code APxYT12, and that's gonna give you additional 12% off, only available for the next 24 hours. So if you want to use that discount code, you have next 24 hours. Go to the link in the description below and get your APxTools RAAVA now. That being said, if you're among the first people who are ordering, you will definitely be getting few extra things in the box, so take an eye out on that. And once you get it, do share your photos of the tool and tag me on Instagram. This is my handle. But before you go, do check out this video where I showcased every essential EDC item for urban survival, and this video will showcase every item every man should have in their bedroom. Thank you for staying till the very end, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.